In Fuerteventura, we have an inexhaustible source of energy: the sun. At SOTELAN Plus, we help homes and businesses reduce their electricity bill with efficient photovoltaic installations, adapted to the climate and needs of the island. Start producing your own energy today and take the step towards a more sustainable future. We work with high-quality Huawei inverters, and we mount state-of-the-art high-power and bifacial solar panels to maximize savings. These are the advantages of installing solar panels in your home: a great saving in your electricity consumption, contribute to the improvement of the environment, improve the energy rating of your home, increase the economic value for a future sale. Start saving now. Write us a WhatsApp or an email. We help you with all the procedures, and we also process subsidies. Send us a message now. Subscribe to our channel.